In this video, I'm going to show you just how easy it is to replace the combination valve on a portable tank with a higher quality one. About a year ago, I bought one of these tanks, did a quick review, and I put a link up above if you want to watch that video. Well, this is a longer term review. The valves on some of these really are poor quality, and you can see the plastic knob on there. It's just slipping. It will not turn the valve. And the internal rubber valve seats were poor quality anyway. But you can see here, I've got a little zip tie that actually worked for about 6 months. And now even that's not working, so we're going to have to remove this thing. Now, I've seen plenty of videos replacing these with ball valves and small plumbing systems hanging on the side of the tank. It's not a compressor, it's just a portable tank, so size does matter. And these little valves are amazing. They've got safety blow-off valves that are much higher quality than the originals. You've got a threaded port for your tank gauge, you've got a threaded port for your inflator, and most importantly, you've got a much more durable metal knob to control the valve. First thing we're going to do is drain it. We're going to need vice grips to do that, since that's the only way to open this valve. And cut my little zip tie off of there, and then we're also going to remove the little retainer that holds the plastic knob on. Once we get that off, we can slide the knob off and look at it. You can see here the plastic just basically split, and you can see the splines on it now. They're smooth. I can't operate the valve. So to replace the valve, we're just going to take things apart. We're going to start by removing the quick connect. And we'll go ahead and pull the coupler off. And once we get that off, we're going to loosen the valve from the tank, but we're not going to remove it. First, what we're going to do, once we loosen that, we're going to pull the gauge off. And now the valve's already loose, so we can just finish unscrewing that from the tank. And we'll just get the big chunks off with this wire brush. It's actually a battery terminal cleaner, but it gets the job done. And for the new valve, put a lot of winds of the Teflon tape on. And the reason I'm putting 6 or 7 windings on here is because that's going to give us a little bit of leeway in where we finish tightening it, so we can choose where to aim the valve once it's tightened on the tank, and you'll see more on that later. I do like the compactness of these valves. For a portable tank that you're going to be transporting, you really don't want a bunch of plumbing hanging on the side of the tank that's going to bump into things, end up causing problems. And I'm sure a link to a better quality valve with a metal knob will magically appear in the video description. So now we can put the Teflon on the gauge, reattach that. We'll go ahead and hand tighten it first onto the valve, and then we'll finish the job with the wrench. Okay, I've already got the Teflon wrapped on the threads for this coupler, so we're going to go ahead and put the quick connect on now. We can just do all that hand tight, and then when we finish it with the wrench, that'll tighten everything down. And we can zip tie our quick fill adapter on here again. And now we're ready to connect the compressor and do a fast fill on this tank. And even though we're using our speed fill adapter, I'll skip through some of this to save you guys some time. And this is why you want those extra wraps of Teflon on those threads, is because I'm going to reposition this a couple of degrees so that the quick connect is parallel with the handle on the tank. You're going to open up the valve, you'll hear the air rush in. And we're going to speed through this, you'll hear the compressor kick in. And my compressor's set for 120, so that's what it's going to take it up to, 120 psi. Now we can close the valve, pull the compressor and the speed fill adapter, and we're ready to plug our inflator back into the quick connect. And this tank is ready for use again with the upgraded valve. Well, if this helped you out, please do give a thumbs up and subscribe for future videos. And to help out anybody else trying to do this, please do share this video. Thanks for watching.